Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Working Mom Plans. I do planner videos and planner related with videos and to inspire you to create your own plans and decorate them. In this video, I'm going to go over my very first Erin Condren order. I've been hesitant about ordering from Erin Condren and I'll explain later in this video. I hope you stick around. Thank you for sticking around. I hope you give me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you think or what you like from Erin Condren. Also, I hope if you're new to subscribe and check out my other videos, and don't forget to hit that bell so you know when I post a new video. Okay, so I've been trying all week to record it and I haven't been feeling awesome until today. I've just got a little bit of burst of energy. I feel like I'm fighting a cold slash allergy, so it's really hard to tell right now. Right now it feels more like a cold because of the symptoms. I don't think I have the virus that's going around, but I wouldn't be surprised either way. So anyways, so apparently my first order, you get these cool little they're stickers. Those are stickers there that you can use. So some sticker labels that way. All I got was the 2020 monthly deluxe calendar and then the pen bundle, which I automatically wanted these 3 sets. I was like, might as well add in the other ones. So I have to hide these from Robert because he'll see them and want to use them to color, and he's already got a couple of my pens to color. So there's that I'm going to get to use. But also, here's the monthly deluxe. I picked out this cover. If you saw my Instagram post, you saw a picture of when I got this. I know some of them were like, oh, go through your home. Like, I didn't get the surprise box or anything like that. I just wanted to. So why I purchased this, because I know we're supposed to be love your planner and use all your planners that you bought for 2020. Besides being on a great discount, I'm going to use this as because one of my goals this quarter is to post for my business. And it's perfect. It's just, I just need to know when I post because then I can see how often I'm doing it. So I'm going to go back in the last 3 months, mark where I post and haven't posted because I haven't been consistently posting for my business. And such. And I like how they have, like, I can just make, there's only a few. I was a little disappointed there's only a few, but that's okay. I'll make it work. I'll just have a running list of ideas so that when I have an idea for my business to post something, put it here, but also I can easily plan ahead. Okay, I'm used to. I don't know if I'm going to use this page at all for anything. And such. The only thing is I notice is when I open this where the paper is, it's very strong smelling of, I don't know how to describe it. It smells like the ink, to tell you the truth. Like, you can tell it was printed, but not like, it's very heavy. And the paper it's thick, it's nice, but it feels like it's very heavy and gritty to me. So this is my first Erin Condren having an impression to it, but this I don't know what I'm going to do and such. Maybe put my what I'm promoting this month or whatever. But I'm going to use this in conjunction because my other one, my post ideas are getting lost in my other work planner. So I was like, okay, people have been talking about Erin Condren and praising it and such like that. So I'm kind of like, all right, here. It's already on to almost second quarter here, starting this week. I'm going to just get them. I knew I was going to get a monthly deluxe. It was between the monthly deluxe and the petite ones. And I decided, okay, let's just try this. And then, of course, in the back, they give you more note paper. And it's perforated, so you can tear it out. But other than that, like I said, it feels like not very smooth. It's very rough compared to Happy Planner paper. I don't know how well, but it smells like it's vinegary. That's what the smell is. It smells very vinegary, like, and ink. But then they gave me these little stickers back here and then a folder in the back. And that's it. So I've heard that these covers you can use a wet erase marker on it and make notes and so forth. That's why they designed it as such. So it's my first one, but I figured a good monthly calendar would help me keep track of one of my business social media stuff. So that's interesting how they turn it into coil. Wow, that's pretty tough. But I'm not a big coil person because I can't take out the pages and put everything which order I want. I know a lot of people, they love the paper, and so they take it off the coil and punch it for a disc. And she also has her own ring, which doesn't make any sense to me, tell you the truth, why to have a bunch here and two here. But I think it's because she was trying to design something that was not too many rings, but enough where if you uncoil this, that you can slide it into her binders, which is creative in a sense, but a lot of work to uncoil these, tell you the truth. I can tell already that you need good, strong pliers and so forth like that. But, yeah, it just smells very vinegary to me, and ink-wise, it smells very chemically. So like vinegar and so forth. And I know they use vinegar to set dyes in clothing, but it's only the paper though. It's not the plastic. It's just when I have this thing open with the paper, I can have this woof of vinegar and chemical smell off of it. So anyways, we'll see how well I use this, but I wanted something simple to use and separate than my other work one. And yes, I do have other planners I could have easily used, but everybody's been praising about Erin Condren, so I thought I need to give it a try, and also praising about these pens too. So I'm a pen girl, I love pens and paper, so what can I say? Anyways, thank you for sticking around, and I'll hope to catch you on the next one. Bye!